Induna zalakhaya eMkhambathini have asked us very interesting questions somnyango ka social development. Bafuna kwazi, I learned something new ukuthi lakhaya they are a labor sending area to ama mine wethu futhi bana a lot of ex mine workers, and sizokumbula as South Africans sibizela to the mine workers ukuthi uma ngabe uke wasebenza emine, the money that the Chamber of Mines owes mine worker, ex-mine workers isekhona. Sicela ukuthi ni contact ama-social worker wenu aseduzana azokwazi ukunixhumanisa with the Department of Minerals Resources. So we are still supporting that project. Besithi induna zethu sizobuya siqiniseke ukuthi kwa-minerals bayafika babanika nama-workshop ukuthi bakhona ukuba-trainer so that bazwazi ukuthi uma ngabe behlangabezana nemideni that have gone where one of their parents worked in the mine, and how do they access that money.